Fans, this is Mirror True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, wherever May Edochie is right now, may God give her the strength. May God encourage her. May God give her the power to get over the RIP of her son. E get wetin we just hear now. E get wetin we just hear now. Yul Edochie, you see the BLEOOD of your son is upon your head. This boy RIP dey Yul Edochie head. Now Yul Edochie now God go ask. Because now he carry Ekwensu, the python, enter house when he come swallow pikin. The RIP of this boy is upon your head. There is nothing you will do. Nothing at all. Where God go take forgive you. When you take open door for python, make it come swallow this boy. My lovely fans, we dey our own jejeje now they carry story come give us. They carry story come give us. Say, he get person when he expose Juju Ekwensu secrets. You see that woman, eh? Hi. You see that woman called Juju Ekwensu. Now she and God, now I get judgment. You see that woman called Juju Ekwensu. Our own punishment, they come from heaven. So, according to the information where they carry, come give us. They say Yul Edochie is always proud to celebrate his birthday with Kambili Chukwu. They say jealousy now it leads to waiting by Kambili Chukwu. The jealousy was too much. So, according to what they said Juju Ekwensu belle dey pepper am, body dey pepper am. As e be say she first born children for Mr. Obasi before she come know Yul Edochie. Those Mr. Obasi children, she has always wanted Yul Edochie to put them first. That time when she never born the Estadike. But Yul Edochie always put his children first before those Juju Ekwensu children. Then, as Juju Ekwensu come born for Yul Edochie, now Juju Ekwensu romance Mami Water come say, as she don't born now, she don't take over the whole house. She is now the madam of the house. So as it is now, since she now have children, since she now have a child for you need to adopt all the children when you carry come from Mr. Obasi house. Which she discussed with Yo, and Yo said no. Say he no go fit adopt Mr. Obasi children, but he will take care of them. Juju Ekwensu was not happy. They said then those children will call Yul Edochie Papa. Yul Edochie say no, I'm not your father. So they said the old jealousy started because Yul Edochie's birthday is January 7. And Kambili Chukwu's birthday is January 4. That is Kambili Chukwu's birthday. Kambili Chukwu's birthday and Yul Edochie's birthday, they celebrate them together. They celebrate it on the 7th. Because 7th is Yul Edochie's birthday. While 4th is Kambili Chukwu's birthday. So both of them, they celebrate it together. Like, it's always big because it's like they are almost the same day. So Yul Edochie is always proud of this day. Like he talk about his son. You know, first son, he gets the kind role with first son they play for their father life. So Yul Edochie was always talking about Kambili Chukwu. He's intelligent, he know book, he dey wise, he get calm spirit, he have a leadership spirit. Like he can put the whole house in order. in 5 seconds. If quarrel dey, just one word from him, everywhere go just settle. Like, he's a very wise boy. You know, children wey dey wise, he get the gift of wisdom. So he's very wise and he knows how to bring peace, no matter how hot the matter be. Kambilichukwu go settle am. You see the time of Juju Ekwensu and Yul Edochie, when Kambilichukwu never be RIP. Then Kambilichukwu was trying to bring peace. The boy dey try. He go carry papa go corner. He go talk. He go carry mama go corner. He go talk. The boy dey try to work things out before they come by him. So, according to the people where they come carry the information, they say this thing dey pepper Juju Ekwensu well. This Kambilichukwu matter, it dey pepper Juju Ekwensu well. Juju Ekwensu birthday is on the 31st, which she changed. Juju Ekwensu fake birthday is on the 31st. Why Kambilichukwu birthday is on the 4th? Juju Ekwensu no dey happy because during that time, Yul Edochie only celebrate his birthday with Kambilichukwu, and that birthday na dey enter head. You see that Juju Ekwensu, he not take am serious then. So they say that anger was already in this woman. This woman say, our own children, Yul Edochie no dey look see eye till they look them. Our own birthday, Yul Edochie no dey see eye till they celebrate them. Everything Kambilichukwu. They say Juju Ekwensu, the jealousy, she could not even keep it. He called Yul Edochie one day, tell Yul Edochie, say, now let Kambilichukwu, now you born safe. Now let that boy you born. Now Yul Edochie come tell and say, no, not be only Kambilichukwu, but he's my senior son. I don't joke with him. He's my everything. I know everything about him. Waiting, no even fit tell me Edochie, in the tell Kambilichukwu. And he know they play with him. Yul Edochie thought that he was discussing with human being. You know say na python and a corder. Now they discuss with. Where they find human being where they won't swallow. So all this talk about Kambilichukwu, Juju Ekwensu was not happy about it. They say many times when he give Yul Edochie warning about his Kambilichukwu. Sometimes if Yul Edochie just dey talk, Juju Ekwensu tell and say, don't do a beg. Kambilichukwu. Let the boy rest. Any woman will can't tell you that word. You know go sit down reason her. But Yul Edochie go think say na out of love. That Juju Ekwensu dey talk am. A woman is telling you that you talk too much of your son. You should stop talking. Yul Edochie did not take it serious. They say if you get one time, when Juju Ekwensu tell you before Kambilichukwu be RIP, Juju Ekwensu tell you say, this your son, if he just buy now, uncle, how you go do? If this your son just buy now, sure you go rest. Say you can dey laugh. This is they tell you say, if your son buy now, Yul Edochie can dey laugh. And true, they can't reach by this boy. They say this birthday celebration, now he start the jealousy. Because Juju Ekwensu believe that after she give birth, all this May Edochie children matter will come out for Yul Edochie head. But she was surprised. After she don't give birth, before Yul Edochie announce her to the public, now they tell her so. Before they announce her come outside, now they tell her. Yul Edochie left Juju Ekwensu on her birthday and went to celebrate with his son. Juju Ekwensu verse. She verse, not be small. Say, Yul Edochie abandon her. God they celebrate his son. He and his son, they do birthday together. Yul Edochie, once that Christmas, now no say that Christmas, he go house go meet the family. As he say they lie so, now say they lie for me Edochie. If he don't reach, sometimes he go spend Christmas with Juju Ekwensu. He not go house. He go say in the movie location. Now they see am. So he go come go. Before that Juju Ekwensu birthday, he don't go. There was never a time he celebrated Juju Ekwensu birthday with her. Not be today start. There was never a time. He always go back home because his son's birthday is 4th. They have to prepare. So there was never a time he spent those birthday with Juju Ekwensu. They said that was where the jealousy, anger for Kambili starts. The person where exposed Juju Ekwensu say one day, Juju Ekwensu was telling her, say, he can just squeeze that boy. I say, what are you saying? He said, I beg. He said, out of all the children, say that this boy, they call. If you just call the papa, you'll be like, say, the papa come weak. There is something about this boy. Say, Juju Ekwensu was complaining Kambili Chukwu. He said, what he pain and say, he was not only complaining this boy to them, he was also complaining this boy to Amobingo. Amobingo go, they laugh. Put for the matter. Yul Edochie, the RIP of this boy, it dey Yul Edochie head. The RIP of this boy is upon this man's head. The anaconda python wey carry come, wey come take swallow this boy. Now Yul Edochie carry am come. If you no open door for snake to enter house, you no go eat anything. You go dey outside. Now when you open door for them, now they go come eat. You open the door for desperate, jealous Juju Ekwensu. They say na birthday cause na birthday start jealousy o. Una see wetin they kpai this poor boy for. Make una see wetin they kpai poor boy for. Me Edochie today now the woman they cry again. She they cry over the RIP of her son. People that are close to me Edochie, they say she they cry. Say, God, why now? Why? As you take everything for just leave this one for her now. Why? She can't get over it. She can't. Pikin wey dey alive, nothing do am. The moment Ekwensu enter house, the moment snake enter house, begin swallow people. Is the handwriting not clear? Abi I should call a soothsayer to come and see, to come and check cowries for una. Abi make I check for una to tell una say na anaconda python na swallow this boy. Should I check or should I write it on the wall? Pikin wey dey alive, no, nothing do any of them. We never hear say Yul Edochie rush one pikin go surgery. He rush one pikin go hospital. Oh, na so the pikin neck bend. Oh, na so Yul Edochie they look for abeg. Oh, one Yul Edochie child is in a critical condition. Have you ever heard in your life? The moment python and anaconda enter house, pikin kpai. And Yul Edochie, they there they do ijele. Doing ijele. They were mocking me Edochie. They were laughing at her. They were rejoicing. They even do and say cry well. They do and say make me Edochie cry well. They even come out. They even come out to agree say they kpai am. They using direct to tell us say na they kpai am. The video is there. They call they do their neck like this. Indirectly, they were telling us that na they kpai Kambili Chukwu. They call they do me Edochie say me she cry well. For social media. My people, the RIP of this boy, now this man hand the day. Now he head, now he day. The RIP of this boy, make una ask this man. Wetin he and a python anaconda, wetin they do this boy? Don't chop one. Our truth don't longer truth. If you won't come chop second one. If you won't come chop second one, now you hook your throat. Now this man, who you see for here so, now they give am, now they open door for us, make you go they swallow them. This wicked man. This wicked man. Now see Anna say, don't they celebrate Juju Ekwensu birthday? That is what she wanted. They should be celebrating her children. She don't want Yul Edochie to celebrate his children. She don't want Yul Edochie to go close to his children. She wants only she and her children. Now she wants. That is how wicked and desperate that Juju Ekwensu, Python, and Nakoda be. That is how wicked. She just wants Yul Edochie to concentrate on her. You know, see the birthday. They go beg Yul Edochie come, make it come celebrate her. Because that is the reason why they buy this boy. The jealousy started from there. Yul Edochie talks too much about Kambili-Chukwu. Yul Edochie concentrates too much on his children. He's not looking at her. He's not looking at her children. They say the thing come worst after she don't born Stadike. After she don't born Stadike, Yul Edochie will still abandon her and go and celebrate Kambili-Chukwu. Juju Ekwensu say, for what? For what now? This small boy hold up too much. People wey dey close to her and they expose her. When they hear say me Edochie break down, they say the woman break down. Oh, the woman got to cry. Say why? Why God not take her and leave this boy? That is her cry. God should have taken her and leave this boy. She does still go far now, not her son. That is her tears. Now people begin open mouth. Say Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu, what till you do? Till you do that woman, me Edochie, God will never forgive you. You will never see forgiveness. You will never see forgiveness. You buy the pikin, swallow and finish. You first of all come they talk say mama go they sleep with different men for Bodo Yibo, na ek by her son. You forget say tradition, not be waiting they till they play. When a woman shook leg for outside, they see Anna. See your own they show for your body now. You know, see as you they do select bele like snake. Everything you dey sluggish like snake. The cause of abomination where dey your head, where they follow you and Yul Edochie. My lovely fans. She lied that me Edochie, she put her leg outside neck by picking. Now she just fair bring that matter come outside. He said one Hollywood actress just call her. The actress was in London with them. The actress said me Edochie was sleeping with different men. She was cooking for them. Can you imagine? After she don't carry that heavy lie, find out that they can't find out that me Edochie no know one or two. Now she can't come outside and say, they wanted to buy my own, but God can't buy their own. Thank you, God, when you take buy their picking own. Mumua mubingo. Hi, God. Some kind father, So, like, if you are a woman, if you never born, your prayer before you marry is that God give me a responsible man that will stand for my children for better, for worse. Don't give me a man like yo. Yo that will sell his children to Juju Ekwensu and Nakoda Python. Make it they swallow them. Yo mumuk de there. Amu bingo. He did there. They look Juju Ekwensu by her son. Look Juju Ekwensu will come outside. This woman was thanking God for buying Yul Edochie's son. Say thank God though that they are buy. The arrow where they betray can't give me, it not reach me, it can't return back to them. If me Edochie even get arrow where they want to give you, if me Edochie na woman where they throw arrow, you think you go sit down with her husband? I be like say your sister where they do juju no know where to be juju. Do you know juju stand for people that are wrong? Juju stand for the truth first. No matter how evil that juju is. When you want to strike, now make you see some people go swear. The way they swear, now then the juju will sleep by. Because he stand for the truth first. If not, he go backfire the person where they serve. Now, if me Edochie even do juju for you, if me Edochie na person where they do juju, you for not sit down with her husband like that. Have you ever seen anybody where snatch husband balance the way you balance? Do you know why you balance like that? Because May Edochie is a Christian. I will tell you that for free. May Edochie is a Christian. She is a woman who knows sabi waka. She just believes in God. That is what you should be thanking your star. You say May Edochie they do juju and she won't throw juju. If na woman where they throw juju, that Yul Edochie where you sit down with her, you for don't run. You for don't run. If May Edochie na who they do juju, you take one of your own will go down. You don't know what you are saying. You don't know what you're talking about. Do you know what they call, I want to enter as the man, I want to scatter a marriage with a woman where they waka for juju house? Ah! By this time, as Kambilichuku go, your stadike for don't go. That one for don't go for be 1-1. I'm telling you the facts. You lied. You said May Edochie wanted to buy your son. Which son? Or you buy that son? Anaconda python. Swallow. Wow. You don't see the pikin, you don't be hungry to swallow. You want to lie. You say May Edochie wanted to buy your son. Now the arrow return back. You lied for that woman head. You buy her son. You know, you lie on her head. You carry her husband come outside. This is how wicked. Even the mothers of the night, the witches, they can't even do what you do. They can't even do what you do. At least they operate in the night, in the dark. Your own have to, you see why they tell you, say this your afternoon witch, now they vex me. I wish you strong like the afternoon witch. If you not see they pay me small. Your afternoon witch is so yeah ability. You go just come out the do afternoon witch. And that power will not get them. Will not get them. Just that people that you deal with, they don't know you very well. That's why. You carry afternoon witch come outside. Carry you. Now begin they laugh this woman. They mock this woman, say, he tongue. I think you say you not go leave a Jamasho. I think you say you not go let me enter house. He tongue. The moment can believe you cook by now. I think now your birthday they can celebrate. You are happy. Now that's your birthday where they celebrate. Eko Isuro Mami Water. The birthday they are celebrating for you now. What have you gained? You see, when you decide to destroy another person to build yourself, you will build in vain. Look at you. After 3 children, no car gift. No gift at all. The only gift where they give you now, picture where they go follow you take for studio. Now they give you. Now you even they praise the man. Hi! Hey, whoa! Now you even they rain praises on the man. When he be say, now you they do birthday. You were the one praising him. He not even send you. You put face on one corner. That is the punishment. You never see anything. What have you gained in the marriage? What have you gained? Have you buy a house? Have you buy a car? After everything you scatter, you destroy, what is your gain? What is your gain? Remember, children are not all children are blessing. Some children are karma, if you don't know. If you do person bad, you will born karma children that will deal with you in your old age. They go peace. They go give you their peace, make you the drink. They go throw away their waste products, use and miss a goosey soup, give you, make you eat. You go think say now one thing they do then now you're evil. Some children are karma. Not all children are blessing. Some children, God will give it to you. You think that God has blessed you. Those children are your karma. This woman is crying today. Begin with Dory 60 years. Out of jealousy from nowhere. Out of jealousy. You are always angry. You're like, Doshi celebrates his children too much. He talks about his children too much. He don't care about you. They don't carry your matter for head now. Madam care about me. They don't carry your own for head now. And what did you gain for inside? You open your 2 koro eye and Anaconda python. You swallow Percy Pikin. You swallow Percy Pikin because of jealousy. Now waiting starts the wahala be this so they say now this birthday start. Yul Edochie is never with me. Anytime celebrating my birthday is always with Kambelechuku. They say na dear story, na dear wahala for start. Yeah, man, we be say, you know, sabi close the mouth. He say won't do polygamy. I laugh in Chinese. See person we say won't do polygamy. You know, sabi close the mouth. A man that want to do polygamy, wait till you see for here, you go close your mouth. Any man wey dey do, any man wey say wan do polygamy, they carry for here, they go, they give them. You never start for life. Everything wey you see for me Edochie house, you carry go give Juju Ekwensu. Can't believe she no book, he do this. Now so you almost sell me Edochie children, give this woman. The woman born Olodofu is house, no one, no book. They not sabi read, they not sabi write, just like mother, like children. You go, they tell this kind woman, Anaconda Python, you go, they tell and say, me Edochie children, no book, they did this, they did that. Jealousy enter her head. The RIP of Kambelechuku is in your hand. Now you God go ask. Now you. See the woman where you enter house by your son. You don't even sit down one day. Ha! May God not let us marry Yule. May God not let us marry a man like Yule Edochie. God forbid. If you see any man like you, if you see any man like this man, borrow leg run. Borrow leg, join your leg run. They buy your son for your eye, koro, you dey see him. You dey there, they shout jelly. They don't buy your son. Wait till they do your son, they go do you one day. Now time it go take. Now time. One day they go crunch you the way they crunch your son. They go swallow you Anaconda Python. So they go still swallow you one day. You sit there, you are looking at people. When it be say they swallow your son, you dey on top the shouty jelly. You people were mocking this woman. You were laughing at her. Today now, who is the pay? I'm here, Edochie. You see, mothers are the ones that always lose. Mothers are the ones that always lose. Why will God forgive you, Edochie? There is no way. There is no way. God can never ever forgive this man. Never. If to say you know carry Juju Ekwensu come, nothing would have happened to Kambelechuku. Now Juju Ekwensu will carry come and make something happen to that boy. That boy for still there alive. That boy for still there alive. Now Ekwensu romasi mami water will carry come. Na ekpai Kambelechuku. This man, they there, they clap hand, they shouty jelly, they follow that woman. Now who lose? The mother and I lose. When Juju Ekwensu no say one bomb battalion for you, Edochie, why not let that woman and children be? After all, he dash you the man. Why did you stick by her son? Why? The tears of me Edochie na be una pains. Aye, it be like needle. You know when they say person sit down on top of needle. Now so you and you be on top of needle now una sit down. Because of the pains and tears una cause me Edochie. Every time like this, she go dey cry. But where is your Edochie today? That one no even know whether today na pikin birthday. He no even know. After all, he don't bomb battalion for his house. He dey feel say he don't replace. You lie. Hey, that is where you get it from. You lie. You see, Kambelechuku, you can never have a child like him again. Never. That brilliant, and that light where they follow that boy, you no go ever reach your hand again. That boy don't close. The day Kambelechuku buy, and that they close that road. What you have now is bad luck and setback. Now I can't remain for your hand. I can't remain for your hand. For these tears wey me Edochie dey cry today. For the pains wey me Edochie dey, that woman dey cry. Yo. Me Edochie is crying. She's crying in silence. She's crying in pains. She's asking God why. He no follow the drag. He leave this man for Juju Ekwensu. Say, carry, madam, not be your fault. If the man think of his family, think of his children, he go stay as now. As he no value or say na you, madam, carry they go. I leave everything for God. Let God guide and provide for me and my children. This woman no drag this man one day, say, you no pay school fees, so then go. This woman no tell the world, say, Yul Edochie no dey pay, Yul Edochie no dey do this. Now lawyer talk, me Edochie no talk. This woman dey her lane. She has never said anything. She has never called your name or drag you. Then you gather courage and Nakoda python, you go swallow am. My people, the pains una cause me Edochie, now on top of needle, now una sit down. On top of needle, no more peace. On top of needle, now una sit down so. My lovely fans, please, anytime we me Edochie post, Mona send down words of encouragement. I beg. Mona send down words of encouragement. I know definitely that it will be very difficult for me, Edochie, to get over this. I know. It will be very, very difficult. It is something she can move on with her life, but it is something she can never, ever forget. My lovely fans. Hi, God. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.